Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote IT products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. Today I have another amazing software product called ClickPayDays. ClickPayDays is being launched by my friend Jason Fulton and Sean Ogundale, and this one is going live on the 12th of January 2023 at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And in a nutshell, is a 3-click app that auto extracts unlimited red-hot buyer leads, creating a secret money printing machine that pulls 500 to 1,000 per day on complete autopilot. And you don't need to create products, no running paid ads, no domain and hosting required, and basically no technical skills needed. This is exactly what Jason Fulton is telling us. If that is going to be so, pulling 500 to 1,000 per day, that is left for you to find out if eventually you are interested in this. If for any reason you are interested in this, to get free traffic, buyer traffic that is going to help you actually make money online as an affiliate marketer or any offer of your choice, then I have the link below in my description area. The first link will lead you to this amazing bonus page of mine. When you click that link, and you can grab a copy using this link or any of the other yellow links scattered over the page. And of course, you can also when you click any of them, they will take you to the sales page where you have this coupon, of course, to give you discount. If you use this link to claim it, you have a certain discount, making it lower than the price of the front end. With that said, let us actually go into details. But before I do that, I will show you across the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are going to be shown and will be waiting for you on my Warrior Plus account. If you are new to my channel, I encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And now I will also take you to the members area, the software itself, so that you see exactly how it works. And then of course now we should be able to go into more details. This is the sales page, and I've read already what you have here to gain from this product. Is a 3-click app that auto extracts unlimited red hot buyer leads, which is traffic, audience to any secret printing machine that you have, which could be your affiliate markets in link and any other offer of your choice. It could be on any niche whatsoever. That's exactly what they are saying. Now let's go down and look at some of the benefits they claim that is going to be there for you. It generates non-stop buyer leads in any niche. One-click verified lead extractor technology convert visitors to high-ticket buyers. Start making big affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank like never before, and sell almost anything to anyone in simple, very simple names daily. Okay, and works on 100% autopilot 24/7 and 100% newbie friendly, beginner friendly, no complex setup required, and you have 180 days, 6 months Iron-Clad money back guarantee in case you want to do away with this product after purchase. So that's basically what you have there. This link will take you there to get a copy for yourself. It says here are the kinds of results complete newbies are getting using this secret money printing machine. Let's see, something like this, and you can always come here. When you come here, you'll be able to get access to this information and basically make up your mind. This is the first step to using this ClickBank's ClickPayDays. At number 1, access your ClickPayDays dashboard, which is exactly this, on your phone or your computer or laptop, and then you'll be able to take the second step after that, which gives you access to setting up the very program, how it works. It will help you activate the lead extractor technology and collect free verified leads from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Google, and of course Yahoo, and probably Bing and all the rest of them. So step 3, done for you, secret money printing machine that pulls this amount of money on autopilot per day, and you can blast done for you campaigns with pre-approved affiliate links for easy that takes up to this amount on daily basis. Okay, from that explanation, it means that all the money these people are showing as proof probably are derived from the campaigns done for you. Okay, so that's basically what you have on the sales page. You can read at your convenience. These are all the evidence according to Jason Fulton and Shane Ogunale, and at your convenience when you arrive here, you'll be able to also read the testimonials from Robert K. He said, I recently tried out ClickPayDays and was blown away by the results, and lead extraction technology is top notch and really helps you to maximize any potential. And of course, the rest is for you to read. And this is Michael Thomas saying the same thing. And here you have Anita Sharma saying exactly the same. So it is believe enough for you to make up your mind. After all, you have 180 days to return this product if it's not working for you. But from all indications, it could be something that may help anybody who is trying to make money online, since everything is done for you basically. So I recommend this, but it is now for you to make up your mind. So I will go through the very bonuses that the vendor has for you, if there are any. I think there are somewhere around there, and then we go to the other things we have on this review. Right now, let us see if we can look at those very bonuses from the vendor and see if that will help you in making up your mind about this very software. ClickPayDays going live today, the 12th of January 2023 at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, I guess that may be the time you'll be able to use any of the buttons on my bonus page, because that's exactly when they are going to be active. Like I said before, I think the very vendor has some bonuses. This is bonus number 1. Of course, it says, do you have what it takes? 2K per day live invite. That's bonus number 1 from the vendor. ClickPayDays accelerator, a 1 million a year blueprint is the bonus number 2 from the vendor. Bonus number 3 will be recurring 30-second free commissions. Bonus number 4 will be super license rights to 3 of their best, most profitable offers. And you have bonus number 5, discount coupon. Okay, so that's basically 5 bonuses from the vendor, and I think I have also 5 for you from my own, and no, 22 of them from my own, because I have one that has 17 softwares and training courses in one. Okay, so now let us go and see the amazing pricing for this one. But before the pricing, let's see basically the members area and take a look at that. Here you have the dashboard, of course, which is exactly where we are. Total visitors 0 because it's for demonstration purposes, and total campaigns 0. If you go to campaigns here, you will be able to create your campaign by clicking this link, and you'll be able to type all the information: campaign name, redirect URL, where probably your opt-in page, and you have social type, and then you have your list, and you can submit with this button. And then if you go to manage campaigns, you will be able to have access to this very place, which is exactly where we are going to manage campaigns. This is one, I guess, my friend Kieran actually did set up, because he basically is the only one who have been able to do this. So this is the URL that you will promote, which will definitely give you the clicks that you need. You can say if you launch a campaign maybe on YouTube or whatever, you'll be able to get all the clicks you see and see the leads you have, and the action you can delete, you can of course edit. That's about what you have if you want to manage the campaigns. And then this is the done for you campaign button, which will give you access to all of these very products: rapid traffic paydays, and QR profits, and web page. So these are all the information you have with the very done for you campaigns. Now you have the email suite, which is how you can manage your email writer. You can write your email here by clicking that button. Then you'll be able to actually fill the form and generate AI capabilities to send your emails and all that. Okay, so it is a very simple thing to manage by the time you go through this very tutorial. Let us go to the tutorial actually to see Welcome to the ClickPayDays training. So this is the video that is going to give you access to how you are going to be able to get these things set up if you don't want to do it with them on done for you basis, which is one of the upgrades that you're going to see when we go to the pricing. So that's a lot of information you have here. View emails, sender, SMT setting in case you want to set your SMPT, and then you have the best sellers button here on Warrior Plus and JVZoo tutorial and support and affiliate products. So this is, I'm going to actually put the link to the video, demo video, so that you see this product in action and how you can set it up on your own. I'll put that link in my description so that you see if you can watch it before you make up your mind on this one. And that's the end of the dashboard area of this product. Now let's see the pricing for this one. And the front end goes for $862 at the moment, but it will bump up to as much as $1295 as the launch goes. And here you have the OTO number 1, which is originally $27, but you have the downsell for $17, which gives you access to this very dashboard, and then you will be able to have what it takes to get the leads that you need to make money online. And OTO number 2 will be the ClickPayDays done for you. It goes for $147, but if you buy it during the launch, you will have it for $97. OTO number 3, ClickPayDays automation, goes for $17, and of course the downsell goes for $7, which has the tendency to rise as the launch progresses. Now you have OTO number 4, ClickPayDays fast cash code, goes for $47, downsell at $27. OTO number 5 will go for downsell of $37, which is the done for you buyer traffic, which is very good. Basically, even if you buy this front end for this price, it is advisable to buy also the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited version, where you have unlimited everything. So OTO number 5, the buyer traffic done for you, goes for $37 downsell. The commission maximizer, OTO number 6, goes for $17 downsell. ClickPayDays 6-figure license rights go for $47 downsell. And you have OTO number 8, automated 1K profit on daily basis probably, and the downsell goes for $27. OTO number 9, ClickPayDays mega bundle, goes for $10 downsell, and that's as of course during this very launch, and has that tendency to go up higher as the launch progresses. So this is the time to make up your mind and pick it up. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time today. You'll be able to have these links operational to take you to the sales page, where you are going to definitely use any of the buttons there, like this one. Hold on a sec to actually get a copy for yourself. This very button, when you do, you'll be able to have access to this one, and it has 180, sorry about this, 30 days, 180 days money back guarantee from Jason Fulton. And of course, these are my bonuses. Bonus number 1 is 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. Another crazy training course that is going to teach you how you can complement ClickPayDays tool with this one, because with added knowledge you have the best chance of knowing your initiatives to be able to get the leads you need to make money online. This is a very important one for you, I guess. And then bonus number 2 will be how to get traffic to any link of your choice. Just like ClickPayDays is about traffic, this is another crazy training that is going to help you send traffic to any link or offer of your choice, which is exactly what ClickPayDays does for you. Bonus number 3 will be how to convert your traffic fast. One thing is to have traffic, which anybody can get on any of the social media handles, but the other thing is to have the the knowledge to actually convert such a traffic, because having traffic without conversion means not making money online. So this is a hack that you may be interested in. Now bonus number 4 would be how to create free professional website for 25 minutes, and this you can sell on Fiverr, networks, and of course Upwork and freelancer platforms. You can put your gigs there and be able to advertise your handwork of creating professional websites, and you'll be able to use this training to actually do that within 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, now you have the premium bonus number 5 of mine, which is the product vault, and this has 17 amazing unique training courses and softwares that will give you access to making money online. It's insane what you have there, 17 of them actually. When you click here, it will take you to the sales page. Like I said, click this one, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you will be able to get this product. When you do, eventually you will have under your purchase history a page that looks exactly like this, with this button giving you access to ClickPayDays, and here you have this blue one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. This is my website, and of course here you have the email address in case there is anything you want me to address. For now, I guess we have done justice to this ClickPayDays review, and we will bring it to an end at this very point. Like I said before, if you are new to my channel, this is the time you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. If you do that, it will help the algorithm of my channel, because I want to grow like everybody else. So that's it. In any case, this is where we bring an end to this amazing ClickPay product review, and I will back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here is goodbye, guys.